On the 21-day plan, you'll take in 2 meal replacement smoothies, breakfast and lunch, 1 solid food meal, and a few snacks. Though not a part of Scoota's official smoothie diet, some plan for a flex day to make the diet more sustainable. However, Scoota's points out that if the routine meals are too expensive in calories, the diet most likely won't be efficient for weight reduction. What to consume: great deals of vegetables and fruits, nutritious meal as soon as per day. What not to consume: no strong food for 2 meals a day. The dishes consisted of in the 21-day shake diet plan contain a lot of fruits and veggies, tend to be low in calories, and supply crucial phytonutrients. While fruit provides healthy nutrients, it also consists of naturally taking place sugar, which may not work for you if you're attempting to decrease your sugar consumption. Additionally, many of the diet smoothies are extremely low in protein, and a couple of fall short in healthy fats. Nevertheless, some individuals may discover it hard to fulfill their everyday protein needs on this strategy, specifically those who do not spend a great deal of time meal planning. You may think about speaking with a nutritional expert or signed-up dietitian for more guidance, though they would likely suggest that you prevent a smoothie-based diet and try other, much healthier methods rather. Pros and cons. Pros: emphasis on vegetables and fruits, less calorie counting and food tracking. Shopping lists consisted of cons: restrictive, high in sugar preparation, might be time consuming, not sustainable, lacks clinical support. A great deal of the smoothie diet plan's rules and guidelines are spelled. And while you can easily prep an early morning shake for a fast breakfast on the go, it's more challenging to have a shake for lunch if you're far from home and don't have access to all your components and a blender. Click the link in the description.